Hi, this is Tony Cook, and in the box today we've got some classic 1960s muscle cars. These are new 1/87th HO scale releases from Oxford Diecast USA. Let's open up the red one. This is the first run for this tooling. The cars come in a cardboard sleeve and then in a neat little clear display case. Two small Phillips screws hold them to the display case, which is made of a black plastic bottom and a clear plastic lid. And there you go. Sharp car, 1966. This is the Montero Red. It's got the red striped, instead of white walls, the red stripe as you saw in a lot of General Motors cars of the time. Car includes an interior. It is die-cast, made of metal. You've got screws front and back here so you can access the inside if you need to. Free-rolling rubber tires. And then the other color is Fontaine Blue. So a Pontiac 1966 GTO is new in 1/87th HO scale from Oxford Diecast. Check it out. That's what's in the box today.